Flip it inside out. Hey,
Uh,
flip
Say
the
what?
sock inside
you heard
out.
from clearly.
Nah, not lately.
85. Yeah.
Wait, why did you go shoot?
Stand by.
Oh, loud and clear.
You got
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in time. Enemy advanced UAV is active.
Huesco Fuck you, bro.
Sentry turret deployed.
Yeah, he got one coming from the left.
You're back on the station. Go get after it. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Taking effective fire.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, fuck that.
Counter UAV online. They're flying.
Focus commencing counter UAV operation.
You have reinforcements.
Got me.
Fucking shit.
Time to lift. You're redeploying. Down to you, soldier. Stay sharp. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Effective fire.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. The squad mate's MI. Redeployment time. Reinforcements inbound. Friendly loadout drops on the way. We've got 10 squads active in the field. You're the last one standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot. Hostile UAV in the area.
Le funky.
You were one of 25 remaining. We lost that one, but we'll get a W next.
Taking Alpha. Losing A. Enemy UAV inbound. Hardcore domination. Capture the objective. Taking B. We're losing Alpha.
Enemies using fuel in progress.
Knocked down. Hostile UAV established overhead.
Wala yung
Losing Bravo.
Tossing frag.
Next call. Enemy watchdog Hilo inbound. Watchdog on B.
Hostile grenade. Enemy watchdog helo spotted.
wala yung pula yung Android.
UAV inbound. Watchdog Hilo incoming on your location. Controlling Bravo.
Incoming grenade.
Eh, you faggot ass motherfucker, bro.
Shit, friendly unit down.
Fuck you.
Frag throw. Going out.
Eh, you faggot fuck. Fuck you, you ain't gonna got me no more, bitch.
Net call. Napalm strike inbound.
You ain't gonna got no more, bitch. Yo, what the fuck? Like, you motherfucker, like.
Taking Bravo underway.
Kill him.
Hostile ATR in your AO.
Oh my god.
Hostile UAV established overhead. Securing B.
Tossing frag.
Deploying Archangel.
Taking Bravo underway. Next call. Enemy watchdog Kilo inbound.
No, bro.
Enemy napalm strike incoming.
I'm getting
You're supposed
fucked.
to be the CIA's best. Act like it.
Fuck you.
You thought this was over?
Citrus, enemy ATR is online. Taking B. Losing A.
Unit down.
Underwhelming effort.
Damn.
That's the best Crimson's got. We deserve to beat down.
There's a bunch of bitches. Oh shit ass. No, I'm not gonna play that stupid shit no more. I didn't even. What the fuck? Look down. I gotta do that.
Mange swimmingtaksi mga usen ko sa eke.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Captain, make his toy dirty. I just. Oh, okay. Sorry. It looked like something else. Maybe what you think it looked like. Brother, what? You have problem, brother? Yes, I do. You have problem? What's the camera? You want to go flying outside the plane? Is this Egypt there? Yes. Oh, okay. Sorry.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Did you get many spankings as a kid?
As a kid, no. No,
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wow. Alright, let me take out my fucking.
Yeah, someone got fucked up right there.
I mean, we're kind of fucked up.
Bruh, I can't even move.
What the fuck? I'm about to pull out my SMG, LMG.
This is just sitting in that bitch, watching me blow with an LMG. Get me out of this room.
Oh, chill out, teammate. What the fuck, bro?
How you? Okay. No one watches the middle.
Enemy grenade.
Yo, delicate.
How did he hit me? Laying the fuck down.
Damn.
This shit ain't working. We've lost the advantage.
Oh, shoot, shoot! Oh my god, teammate, bro. Check who the fuck you shooting at. Hey! Yo, you a key ass motherfucker. Get the fuck up. Right there, inside that area.
What the fuck? Just shot my thing.
Where? I ain't gonna die like that, bro. Yeah, you fucking lag, you stupid. Like, what the fuck is this lag? Fuck you,
How am I just
teammates. You
keep
didn't see
getting
me?
shot from the back?
Man, I'm pissed off. I'm shooting everybody. You faggot ass bitch with pajama ass motherfucker.
Turn my back.
Gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank.
Yes. This motherfucker pull up with the shotgun.
Manager's my middle fucking name.
Sorry, guys.
God damn, I love
Oh my god.
Tell Sierra.
Grab the tag.
We won that shit? Bro, that's sad. 62-61. That's sad, losers. Yo, I'm the one who fall on the middle. Oh my god. Shotgun will never help you on Warzone. Try use that shit. Gonna fuck your ass.
So, only works in hardcore.
$40, $50, $75.
Parang auto lu. Ska med luta på.
Hardcore domination. Secure the objectives. Control zone C. The lead is ours. I made a mistake. Hostiles replace the lead.
Okay, you gotta sit there. Oh, what the fuck? He's surrounded. What the fuck? You really wanna use that, bro? Big motherfucker. Alright, hey, bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, what? What?
Losing B.
My gun just stopped? Hey, get the fuck out of my way when I shoot, nigga.
Securing zone
Damn, our team suck like a motherfucker, bro. We getting clapped. Alright, you know what? Fuck this.
Securing C.
Fuck that gun. Yeah, that motherfucker. Fuck me.
Securing B. Secured.
Yes, kawalanki. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of that area. Come on, teammate. I'm about to wreck them.
Losing B. Taking Alpha.
You're gonna die, motherfucker.
Securing zone. Secure.
It's sniffing. Get the fuck out of here, Too motherfucking near over there. I need to kill it. Yo, those 2-8 is crazy as fuck. Shoot him, bro. What the fuck you guys stuck over there for? Move the fuck in, bro.
Yeah.
Assist me on this OBJ. Neutralized.
Fuck out of here.
Locking down all zones. Secure. Find another way.
Oh shit. I nearly die. Yo, why you kill me, teammate? That's fucked up. Yeah, we smack a lot of you guys though. Who keep crying every time you die, nigga? Chuck or something, let me see. Yeah, that's Chuck T. Don.
Chandel, get up. You're going to church. Chandel. Go everybody, Chandel.
Taking control.